Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to connect Salesforce Authenticator app. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply go and open the account on the browser. Then you will have to click on your profile picture on the top right side. Then go and click on settings. Once you go to settings, go and click on advanced user details. And once you go to advanced user details, you'll have here to click on the connect button just right here. Once you hit the connect, it will show here this message that they have sent you actually a verification code to your email attached. So go and open your inbox. And here I have the verification code. Just copy it, then paste it right here. Then click on verify. And now you will have to grab your phone and download the Salesforce Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play, whether you are using Android or iOS, and install it on your mobile device and open the app and tap to add your account. The app shows you a unique two-word phrase. Enter the phrase below just right here. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will ask you to verify the details on your phone and you're all set. Now, when you go back and go to the advanced user details, you'll find out that your account or the Salesforce authentication is connected and you will have the word disconnect instead of connect. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.